I'll show you how this simple $20 kit will get you some brand new headlights. So get yourself a drill, you go in, water, and the instructions are there. You don't want to stay in one spot at too much time, and you don't want the buildup to be crazy. So do 800, 1200, and 3000. So that's what the kit comes with. So you progressively get higher. If you want to go even higher than that to get a finer finish, that's totally fine. But that's what the kit comes with, so that's all you need. And these ones were pretty bad and hazy. So once it gets to this point where a lot of the grit's just sticking on there, spray a little bit more water. If you care about the car, as you can see, this one doesn't matter. It just needs to be a little bit more presentable. Put some tape. You can see where the two-tone is right here, and here. That's kind of what we want to blend. So that's where we're blending. And like I said, you're just going to take your time. You can do this by hand. You don't need a drill. This kit comes with a drill bit attachment, so you don't need to get the attachment or anything. It just comes with the attachment, the two attachments, one for the finishing polish, and I'll show you guys each one. So this is, like I said, the 800 grit, which is the grittiest, and then as it goes up in numbers, it actually goes to a finer grit, which means it's going to be a lot less abrasive. The lower the grit, the more abrasive. So like I said, once it gets to that point, you're going to spray this and that, and you're just going to continue that until you're happy with the finish. Again, don't leave it in one spot at once, and don't put a lot of pressure in there if you're doing it with a drill bit. If you're doing it by hand, put a lot of pressure. But if you're doing it with a drill bit, definitely just go light. And like I said, once it gets to this point, brush it off, clean it off, wipe it off, whatever, and keep going until you're happy with the result. Better of what I was trying to say when the clear was a little bit off. You can see where it's more dry, the difference in the plastics. This is where we're blending, just so that at the end it looks like a little bit of a better finish. But you'll keep going until you're happy with it. So I'm gonna jump to the next grit, which is 1500, and then I'll show you guys the final result after the 3000. But it's repetitive process. I go up, down, up, down, up, down, left, right, left, right, left, right. Never leave it in one spot too many times, or you will burn a mark. You can take it off, but it'll just take way longer. You have to go down in grit. There is a little bump right here, so cautious of those. You want to sand those out first. We're able to blend a little more with the 1500. Now for the 3000 and final grit, and you're just going to go until you're happy with the results. Again, these scratches won't be here when the polish is in, and the polish is down there, that little red thing, and it comes with that little blue pad that you're going to spread it on there, and you're going to clean up the headlight. Happy with that haze. All the scratches are pretty much gone. There is some scuffs and whatnot, but those are very deep, and I don't want to take too long on this because, like, again, it's a work truck. And quick fact, right here, that HB3, that's the bulb size. HB4, that's the bulb size. This one should have it here somewhere. I think, no, that's all it says. Should have it somewhere around here, but I don't see it. Those are your bulb sizes. It tells you which one it is. DOT, GM, 03, 8G. Same there, it says GM. So, fun fact. After the little polish, the camera does not do it justice. Looks a little hazy in the camera, but it's crystal clear as comparison to how it was. But yeah, it's a million times better, and that's all that matters. Also did 3000 on just the bottom one, so it's a little more shiny than this guy. Again, the camera does not do it justice, but for 20 bucks, you'll get cleaner headlights. Now, if you want to get the acetone kit, that'll definitely make this a lot cleaner.